Hi guys, welcome to the Max 3D Design. Since the beginning of this year, I was researching everything about 3D printers, and one 3D printer was really standing out of big variety on the market. So I've contacted a lot of people related to 3D printing, and one of them was Mary Wu. She was working in Creality at that time, and she said, for my estimated budget, I won't find anything better than Cr6se. So after a long research, I finally bought it. Just keep in mind that this video is not the review about the printer itself, but this video is about why did I bought it. And if you wanna see the results of this printer, what updates I've made and what kind of trouble I had, please stick around till the end of the video. Okay, so let's quickly see the results that I've been printing within these 3 weeks. This airplane was the very first print on this printer. This car was print in place test, where you can move the wheels. Also, this printer handles very good Ninja Flex. Remix of my popular cigarette pack. This benchy, most probably the highest quality that this printer can produce. Then I decided to make a speed test and I printed benchy with 100 mm per second and 1 mm nozzle. So overall I made community firmware upgrade, couple printable upgrades just to look the printer better. Well, it looks outstanding, but you know, since there is some extra printable decorations, why wouldn't you do it? And of course, nothing is perfect. After 8 hours printing, on the very first day, I had to change cooling fan on the main board. It started making this noise, like it's giving up. Well, but from another side, for 3 weeks I had only one fail. And it's not because of the printer, it's because I was pushing it to the limits to see how it will behave. Well, if you ask me, am I happy with this printer? My answer is yes, absolutely. Is it suitable for beginner? Yes, it is. Is it worth the price? Well, if you're up to stable, less headache, good quality, very silent printer, I wouldn't say that it's expensive. In my opinion, it's worth every penny. Of course, Creality is trying to be affordable, at the same time reliable and high-end product on the market. And as a big company, they're trying to save everywhere where they can save, otherwise the printer would just be double the money that we pay. So that was my opinion about this 3D printer. Subscribe and you will see it more in action, and have a great print!